Hey, what's going on, guys? Joker88. We are here at my buddy's house, and he's the one that wrapped the Cayenne. Remember the Cayenne? He wrapped that one, and then I decided to go ahead and get the R8 wrapped. So you ready for the big unveil? Here it is. So we're using a new product, and this is the master himself right here. It's JJ. So JJ, did you have any problems? How did you like this Hexus?
I mean, the vinyl is kind of hard to work with.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's a really nice color.
Yeah.
It's a really nice finish.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's kind of hard to work with, especially in the corners and with the finish when you have to cut. Yeah. It's pretty hard. But I mean, it's a nice color.
It is.
And unique, pretty much.
Absolutely.
Because I haven't seen it in the street, and I haven't seen it even pictures. So.
Yeah.
So this pretty much is a unique vinyl.
Yeah.
Just for Joe. It's for the Audi.
Hey man, it's JJ, man. He's hooking us up. Say if you guys need any kind of wrapping, I know a lot of you guys got me up. I posted on Instagram and Facebook that I'm getting my R8 wrapped. Well, here it is, and there's the master that did it. So again, if you guys are local to me here in SoCal, let me know if you guys are interested. JJ will get you guys hooked up with the wrap that you guys want. And JJ has tons of. Do you have your swatches here, JJ?
Let me get.
Hey guys, what's going on? Joker88 here, and let me tell you what is going on. Well, we got our Audi wrapped, and